click on Create Account. Enter the business email address you'd like to use. Check your email and enter the code. Click Verify and Continue. Enter the required information, create a password, accept the terms, and click Continue to Stripe onboarding. Enter your phone number and email. Verify your info. Select the appropriate country, business type, and business structure. Then click Continue. Enter the relevant business details and click Continue. If required, verify your personal details and click Continue. Select an account for payouts. Click on Agree and Continue. Select the accounts you want to connect, then click on Connect Accounts. Click on Done. Select the account for payouts and hit Continue at the bottom of the page. You have now successfully completed your account creation and your account is active.